Hey my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. My baby says hi. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to use cucumber with other very important ingredients to achieve that very flat tummy that you desire. Okay, there are some belly fat juice that are meant for mothers, that can be used for breastfeeding mothers, and there are some that can't be used. Okay, alright, so this particular one, man, if you're breastfeeding, you shouldn't even take it too much, just like me. Okay, but when you're done breastfeeding, you can take it. Yeah, and if you want to know all of the ingredients, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let me take you right into this video. Try this to get rid of fat tummy. Try this to get rid of excessive weight. Try this home remedy. You are not going to be regretting it at all. Okay, now this home remedy is going to help you so much to loosen up all of those fat cells in your body. And this is watermelon. Okay, this is a full watermelon, and I'm gonna be cutting the watermelon in your presence. So gonna be cutting just a little piece of the watermelon. Wow, it's actually very ripe. Okay, so this is it. And if you can get a watermelon that is actually this ripe, and your watermelon has to contain seeds, okay, if it does not contain seed, it is not organic. So get an organic watermelon, and this is going to be helpful. So what I'll do now is that I'm going to be putting knife into it and then cutting it. And you have to do this with the seed, because the seed is very helpful too. So now we're going to try to get the watermelon out, and then we're going to put it into the blender. And make sure to put plus the seed. Alright, so after putting the watermelon plus the seed, we'll equally be needing cucumber. Now cucumber is a great remedy that contains a lot of water as well as watermelon. Now this ingredient helps so much to flush out toxins in the body. It helps to maintain the body metabolic, and it also helps to remove unwanted stomach fat and excessive belly fat. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting the cucumber into two. Yep, so I need just a half of this cucumber, and what I'll do is that I will first of all be sanitizing it, because we need to wash everything that we are taking. Yeah, so I'm gonna be washing it, and then we have to cut this. In bits. Now after cutting this, then we'll then be transferring it also into the blender, and this is good. we're equally going to be making use of ginger. Now for this time, ginger is actually very required and is very important. It helps to drive out cold. It is great for, you know, maintaining your body metabolism, and it's also a great remedy to maintain your fat level, and it's also great for excessive weight. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take a reasonable amount of it each time, okay? So you're not gonna take too much. So this quantity is okay. So I'm actually gonna be scraping that. And now we'll chop it in pieces. And then we're also gonna be putting that in. And to blend it, you're going to be putting just a little bit of water, although the watermelon in it is enough water, so we're not going to be needing too much of water. Okay, so I'm actually not going to be adding water. And then I will go blend this, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is it, and you can decide to juice this out, like just the juice, or you can decide to drink it this way. But I recommend you drink it this way, because when you drink it this way, you're actually drinking all of the full benefits. You equally need the shaft to stay full, so this is what you need. And also you're going to be needing to use lemon. Now lemon is a great remedy that helps so much in removing fat. It works wonders in dissolving all of your fat cells and making your body feel really good again. And you're gonna feel really light the moment you start using lemon, but do not use it too much. So I have a half cut of lemon here. So for each glass cup, you're going to be needing to use just a small piece of lemon, and then you cut it into two. Yeah, so I have to squeeze this in. Now after squeezing that in, then I will have to stir it, yeah. And you're good to go, guys. This is what you need to flatten your stomach. Now the thing is that you are not going to see an effective, like a very drastic result the first day you use it. Now when you reduce the intake of your fatty food and carbohydrate food, this is going to be really friendly. Now let me have a take and tell you how it does taste, although it tastes really nice. It tastes a little sloppy because of the lemon, but it tastes really good. Now the watermelon in it actually overshadow all of the taste, so you are good to go. Okay, it doesn't taste pepperish, but you need the ginger in it. Okay, so drink this 2 times a day, reduce your sugar and all of that stuff, and your result is going to be as drastic as possible. So you take it at least 3 times in a week, and you're good to go. Okay, you're just on your way of losing all of that fat. Good remedy. So that's it, guys. That is actually how simple it is. You can just mix this up and then you take it, you know, continuously take this, avoid some excessive belly fat drink and all of that, you know, consumption of sodas and high intake of carbohydrate food. Okay, this will actually help you so much. Go try it, I'm sure you love it. So that's it, I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, and bye guys. Mwah.